Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of iOS development. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: async await in iOS Swift. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey, understanding async await is crucial for writing efficient and responsive code. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's explore this fascinating concept together. What is async await? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's clear our minds on what async await actually means in the world of iOS Swift. Async await is a powerful feature that enables developers to write asynchronous code in a more structured and intuitive way. It simplifies the process of handling asynchronous operations, such as loading data from a remote server or performing time-consuming tasks without blocking the main thread. The importance of async await. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about async await? Well, let me tell you, my friend, it's all about improving the user experience. By utilizing async await, you can ensure your app remains responsive and smooth, even when dealing with time-consuming operations. With the ability to await tasks, you can effortlessly maintain a seamless user interface, keeping your users engaged and satisfied. Async await in practice. Now that we understand why async await is essential, let's get our hands dirty and see how it works in practice. Suppose we have a scenario where we need to fetch data from a remote server and update our UI accordingly. Traditionally, this involved multiple callbacks or delegates, making the code harder to read and maintain. However, with async await, we can simplify this process by using structured and sequential code. Implementing async await. To implement async await, we'll start by marking our function with the async keyword. This tells Swift that this function contains asynchronous code. Then, within our function, we can use the await keyword to pause the execution until a certain asynchronous task completes. This allows us to write code that reads synchronously while efficiently handling asynchronous operations under the hood. The power of concurrency. One remarkable aspect of async await is its ability to handle concurrency effortlessly. By using task types, we can concurrently execute multiple tasks, making our code not only efficient, but also highly responsive. This enables us to perform complex operations in the background while keeping the user interface snappy and smooth. Swift's async await truly unleashes the power of concurrency in iOS development. Common mistakes and best practices. Of course, as with any coding concept, there are some common pitfalls and best practices to keep in mind when using async await. One mistake to avoid is blocking the main thread while waiting for an asynchronous task to complete, as this defeats the purpose of async await. It's crucial to move time-consuming operations to the background and keep the main thread free to handle user interactions promptly. Additionally, properly handling errors and using structured error handling mechanisms is vital for robust and reliable code. Wrapping it up as we come to an end, it's clear that async await in iOS Swift is a game changer. It empowers developers to write more readable and maintainable code while ensuring smooth and responsive user interfaces. By embracing async await, you'll unlock the full potential of concurrent programming and take your iOS development skills to new heights. Thank you for joining us today on this immersive journey into the world of async await in iOS Swift. We hope this deep dive has shed light on the importance and practical implementation of this powerful feature. Remember, async await is your key to writing efficient, responsive, and delightful code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy coding and stay curious, my fellow iOS developers.